Welcome back to my channel Education Hub. Point 48.
Safety rules.
Safety means protecting ourselves from harm and injury. We must follow safety rules all the time. On the road, at home, at school, while traveling.
Safety on the road. Always cross the road at the zebra crossing. Look towards your right and left before crossing the road. Never jump, run, or play on the road. It can cause serious accidents. Always walk on the footpath or pavement. Always obey traffic rules. We must look at the traffic symbols. These symbols help us to be safe on road. Do not speak to strangers. They can harm you. Safety while traveling. Stand in a queue while waiting for a bus. Do not climb into or get off a moving vehicle. Do not put your hand or any other body part out of a vehicle. Always wear a helmet when riding on a motorbike or a bicycle. Do not forget wear a seat belt while traveling in a car. Safety in school. Do not run up and down the stairs. You can fall down and get injured. Do not jump on chairs, tables, or benches in the classroom. Play games that do not cause injury to you and others. Safety at home. Never touch electrical switches and wires with wet hands. Do not put your finger in an electric socket. Do not play with fire or matchboxes. Do not play with sharp objects like knife, blade, needle, or scissors. They can hurt you. Do not take medicines on your own. Always take the help of a doctor, nurse, or your parents. Using a first aid box. A first aid box is the help given immediately to an injured or a sick person. We must keep a first aid box at home. Good touch and bad touch. Children, if you get a hug from your parents, friend, or family members and you feel happy, comfortable, then it is a good touch. But if someone touches you in a way that makes you uncomfortable or unhappy, then that is a bad touch. If this happens, it first say no or shout stop it. And then inform your parents or teachers immediately. We must tell them about the person who touched us in a bad way, even if it is an adult or unknown person. So children never be afraid to say no or shout stop it to someone who troubles you or makes you feel uncomfortable.
Thanks for watching Education Hub. Point 48. Subscribe for more videos.